Hello there, welcome back. So on this 2016 Chevy Traverse LT, I'm having some issue with the windshield wiper. So it's not whenever I press the button for the washer fluid, I'm not getting anything. So as you can see, I'm the tape right here, the button, the wiper working, but it's not pumping any fluid to the windshield. And I go behind the wheel on the driver's side to check the motors. The motor is okay, one right here, one here. So this one is for the rear and this for the front. So I'm going to show you the fuse that control it, guys. So let me go there. It's at 10 amp. So on the passenger side, so let me see if I can show you guys. So right here, so you see this, well, let me see if I can get it focused. Alright, so you see that 2 amp fuse right there? There's a 10 amp fuse that go right in front to the front of the vehicle. Let's go right there, guys. Right in front of the 2 amp. So I'm going to show you the fuse, guys. So this is the fuse. It's blown, 10 amp. You can see right there it's blown, guys. So I'm going to replace the fuse and it should work. So let me drop back a fuse in there and see what it do. So stay tuned for the part of the video, guys. Alright guys, so I just installed the fuse. It was so difficult to get it back in there. That's it right there, this red 10 amp fuse right beside the 2 amp. That's it right there, guys. So hopefully the windshield wash should work. So let me turn it on. Alright, now it's working, guys. You can see spraying. Alright guys, so if I find this video useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching. Catch you another time. Bye.